All right, guys. Davis AutoSports here on a progress report on our '96 Chevrolet Z71 four-wheel drive truck. We're going to let you know what we're doing over here in our paint and body department. Obviously, if you guys are familiar with the bottom doors and the corner cabs on these trucks, they're not the greatest, so we went ahead and redid both lower doors. These are the doors, these are the lower portions. Everything you pretty much see here, all new sheet metal, front and back. That's just body work getting done on that before they actually paint it. And what we're actually going to do on this truck came from the factory as a single tone truck. The previous owner was going for the two-tone look. Didn't come out too great. What we're actually going to do is the GM two-tone gold color on the bottom. So it's going to be the same color up top with tan on the bottom. We also have brand new corner cabs as well. Those are going to come on next, so the bed's going to come off. And the corner cabs, honestly, on this truck are not bad at all. But just, eventually they're going to go bad. I think the other side has a couple little weak spots, but nowhere near. It's not through the cab or anything like that. But it's starting to show a little bit of signs of wear. The rest of the truck is absolutely fine. So we're going to replace the corner cabs, and like I said, we're going to obviously replace all the trim. The biggest thing that we're doing to this truck is this truck has a factory 5.0. The truck has about 160,000 miles. The 5.0 actually runs good. It's got a manifold leak, it's got a rear main seal leak, it's got this. So by the time that we replaced all the seals and gaskets and all that sort of stuff, we said heck with it. We have a brand new 5.7 we're throwing in on it. Full 5.7 upgrade, PCM, everything. So this truck's going to be equipped with a 5.7 Vortec with a 3-year warranty. Obviously, all and any small and for that fact any preventative rust repair will be done, and the only parts that were even remotely needed were the bottom of the doors, and it was just very slight. By no means was it hateful at all. The undercarriage of this thing is very, very clean. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick progress report, and we'll see you on the next one.